Are you thinking of selling your home and you want the maximum return?
Do you want to spend $1 and get $3 back? Well, stay tuned for the rundown with Red Door Metro. George Murad,
Erica McNamara.
here to show you how to maximize the sale of your home for top dollar. When you're selling your home, who doesn't want the most money, right? Well, we're gonna go over the 3 top ways to maximize return on investment. Erica?
So the first one is actually something that you don't even need to spend any money on. So the first tip is declutter. So decluttering is the #1 way that you can get the most bang for your buck with any changes that you do to your
And you know how
home.
much that costs? Nothing,
Zero.
it's elbow grease. All right, Erica, what's number 2?
Number 2 is going to be paint.
Guys, that can change the entire room. What does a gallon of paint cost? $30. What is labor to maybe paint a room? Maybe a couple $100. If you do it yourself, elbow grease, doesn't cost you much. You can change the entire room and the persona of a room by just doing the paint. What's our third one?
Number 3 is going to be flooring.
Flooring. What better way to spruce up the house? Adding hardwoods, laminate flooring, new carpet. So many ways to absolutely change the room and give it a fresh, clean look. Now, if you want more information on how to sell your home for top dollar, please call us today at 1-844-KW Metro. And as always, thank you for allowing the Red Door Metro team to be your doorway to better